Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at StaFi. It is called StaFi Protocol, as you can see here, and the ticker is called FIS, and it actually pumped really well. As you can see here, it actually gained like 62% in just matter of I think 2 or 3 hours, which is a massive pump. So let's have a look at it and why it's going up and what we can expect it in the future. So let's try to analyze this coin. First of all, this coin actually ended up hitting new all-time low, which is a big, I would say, which is not a good thing. And after that, it saw a massive recovery, and basically it found a bottom here, and it is going up as of now. um, the reason why it's going up, there is nothing on their X. I would say it could be most likely because of their roadmap, but I don't think that it's that massive. And it could be because most of the traders, or basically some traders, are pushing it, as it did actually break out from, as you can see here, over 200 EMA. That could be the reason why the token is basically going up, because it has been trading below 200 EMA for some time, and as you can see here, it did the exact same thing back in April as well. So that could be the reason. Anyways, I could not find the exact reason. Now let's have a look at it. If you don't know what the StaFi is, it is basically the first multi-chain liquid staking protocol that unlocks the liquidity of the staked assets. So it is a liquid staking platform, but if you look at its TVL, it has not found that much success. Even it was pretty it actually had a massive market cap back in December, but as TVL back in December, but as of now it actually ended up hitting new low back in April, and as of now slowly, but it is actually going up. So I would say that's a pretty good success. At least it is up from 3.7 million, and as of now it's basically 2x from its low. So I would say that's pretty good. Now this is how the app looks like, and they also have their DAO. As you can see here, they also have the treasury. Now if we want to talk about the FIS token itself, it is a native token of the StaFi, and it had an initial supply of 100 million, as you can see here, and they did have inflation, and as of now they do have inflation as well. So this is how it looks like. So as of now, out of 150, it has a mix. As of now, it has a circulating supply of 153 million, as you can see here, out of which 94 million is in the circulation, 54 is staked, and 210 is in the treasury. And after that, 3 point is, it says others, so most likely some other things. Now it has an inflation of 3.32, and if we just look at the supply increase, this is how it looks like. So back in 2022 the supply was around 114 million, and as of now it's up to 153 million. So that means the supply will slowly increase. So that is something you should know if you're looking to get into this coin. Anyways, now if we talk about its distribution, most of the supply is in the circulation, so I would say that's pretty good. This is how it was distributed. Anyways, now if we talk about the roadmap that could have caused the pump, I think they have, and this is a Q3 of 2025. As you can see here, they will be launching LSV, which are going to be basically liquid staking walls that could actually change the things for them. But again, if you look at the protocol itself, it has not gained that much attraction, and they are also offering a way too low, I would say, staking rewards as well. As you can see here, like 2.44 for Ethereum, and even for the Solana 5.26. I think Lido and others give above 3, I would say 3%, and as for the Solana you can easily get like 7% as well. And if you look at FIS APR, it's pretty much high, 9.51. I'm not sure how the inflation is around 3%. If they are paying out like 9.5%, I'm not sure about that. Anyways, now if we talk about the roadmap, they have this liquid staking wars coming up that could actually change the thing, and this basically this will enable plug and play vault logic and custom sets, fees, and other things, AI based vault automations. I'm not sure what it will do, but again, that's something interesting. And this is how FIS coin basically will get benefit from that. So basically they are working on staking and bonding. FIS is proposed to be used to secure wallets deployment, vote on sub-DAO proposals. So these are the sub-DAOs that they have: Chaos Finance, Hito, Gimo, and they have different things, and they will have fee accrual, I believe, protocol level fees from LSV, and sub-DAO wallets will contribute to FIS ecosystem. That could be interesting. Anyways, they have planned all of these things, but I think if we look at the overall demand of the FIS, it is just going down. So this is how the demand of the FIS looks like. Back in April of 2024, it actually ended up hitting new all-time high, which was above 105 million. As you can see, back in December, it actually ended up hitting 75 million. So, and as of now, it's near its all-time low. And so I think there is a high possibility that this coin could actually 2x or even 3x if the market goes up, because if we look at the market cap in the past, it actually has gone as high as 35 million or even higher than that, like 40 million, and as of now it's sitting around 18 million. So there's a high chance that this coin could actually go up. That's what I think, at least. So as of now, if more traders hop onto this coin, there's a high possibility that this coin could actually go up. And as of now, what I'm looking at, the first target would be, I believe, let's just look at the daily chart and let's see if we can spot anything. So I would say the first target would be 200 EMA, of course, around 2 cent. 2 cent is a possibility, because if you look here, it has finally broke out from the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, and I think it should be looking at 200 EMA on the daily time frame as well, because if you look here, back in April of 2025, it did the exact same thing and rejected from there. So I think it can actually go as high as 20 cent, and after that it could actually reject from there. But again, if it does go above 200 EMA on the daily chart, there's a high possibility that it could actually go as high as 29 or 30 cent or even higher than that if that happens. But again, this also could be the pump and dump, so that is something you should know. And if you're planning to trade this coin, I think the best entry would be around 10 cent, and if we're looking at 1 hour time frame, it should be around 8.2 cent is a possibility. But again, if this is a pump and dump, it should actually go down quickly. But if it is not, we can really expect a pump to as high as 20 cent or even higher than that if it does breaks out from this level around 200 EMA. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back tomorrow. Thanks for watching.